Alright, well, I was getting ready to pack up and I noticed I had an issue with those snap pads. Not the pad exactly, but with the tab and the snap pad. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. The one on the gray water side, when it comes up, it hits against the gray water tube. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We are contacting right there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. I don't know if I can shave enough of that pad off or not. So that really sucks. This one's going to have to come off for now. Welcome to the world of hot rodding, where every modification to make something better will require a modification to make it fit. That's how it goes. It's like a rule or something. Not Snappad's fault. The pads are fine. That might have been a slight oversight, or maybe it just has something to do with my model tab. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. I may shave that off and have to figure something else out. I'm kind of used to that kind of stuff. So you may be getting another video on tabs, arts and crafts hour. And when I get a chance, I'm going to call the people up at Snappads and just inform them that there may be a clearance issue on that landing leg on a Tab 320S. Now, my model year is a 2023. Like I said, maybe they're all different. I'm not 100% sure on that. I mean, we're talking about maybe needing 1 more inch of clearance there. Maybe my drain pipe is sticking out 1 more inch farther than some of the others. Either way, not a big deal. I'll get that done here soon. But I really wanted to put this video out as quick as possible to inform some of you out there that have Tab 320Ss that this could be an issue. So go underneath, measure where your gray pipe comes out, and measure how far the foot of the stabilizer jack is from your gray water waste pipe there. Alright, well, I will see you guys on a camping trip in a couple weeks.